and leaving our hometown of New York City and sort of looking at our friends and this sort of bittersweet moment that happens when everybody's congratulating you and you go like, wait, are you gonna end up happier than me? And so we thought this was kind of like an interesting moment to write about. It's called The Big Goodbye.
Oh well, here we go again. 525, really give me 30, make it 30, really give me 30, really give me 35, high, make it 40, really give me 40, really give me 45, high, make it 30, really give me 30, really give me 45, 525, really give me 30, make it 30, really give me 40, really give me 45, 525, really give me 30, make it 30, really give me 40, really give me 45, if this is what a happy end looks like. Someone tell me why I'm all in my head, why you're all on my mind, why it feels like my friends are leaving me behind, why I miss all the shit I've seen a million times. No, don't look back, just try. Someone tell me why my town feels like home for the first time in years. What I need to be known, they fucking know me here. But it could be a movie with a feel good end. Oh God, I hope it is. And my whole life could sound like this. And my whole life could sound like this. Just make it sound like this. And my whole life could sound like this.